The present price of company tax within the Hasi Cskym Autom Sa Hracky firetruck shirt US is 21%, in contrast with 19% within the UK and 12.5% in ERA, one of many lowest amongst EU nations. Households throughout the earnings spectrum in 2030 would face an elevated tax burden on labor from larger company earnings taxes. President Joe Biden, in line with the tax plan he launched earlier than the election, would increase taxes on the labor earnings, funding earnings, and enterprise earnings of these incomes over $400,000. Hasi Cskym Autom Sa Hracky firetruck shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck. Our unique evaluation projected that the Biden tax plan would increase Hasi Cskym Autom Sa Hracky firetruck shirt about $3.8 trillion conventionally over 10 years. So on the daybreak of November 9, 2020, Joe Biden had come out because of the President of the U.S. of America. Joe Biden was born on November 20, 1942, in Scranton, Pennsylvania, to Joseph Robinette Biden Sr. and Jean Biden II. The Biden marketing campaign included new tax credit score proposals, together with a $105.5 billion growth within the CTC, that diminished internet income collections over the price range window. Other products